Hey everybody, welcome again to Ria's Kitchen, and today we are going to prepare watermelon lemonade. Well, watermelon itself is very refreshing, and we all know how lemonade feels like in a hot summer afternoon, right? So when both will be mixed, and it will be great, cool and soothing. So without wasting time, let's start right away. Okay, so here I have half a bowl of watermelon cut into small pieces, and now I will blend it to a smooth mixture. So our watermelon has been blended, and now I will just strain it, and because we won't want the seeds and all, we will get a smooth mixture here. Strain it to another bowl. Okay, so here is our watermelon juice. You can drink this also directly. It will also be very smooth, soothing and refreshing. Well, now time for the watermelon lemonade, and for that, see here I've taken this jug and I've cut a lemon into slices, and I will just drop it inside. And I will add loads of ice. Okay, well, some sugar syrup, sugar according to your taste. You can also add powdered sugar. But don't add much of a sugar because watermelon is also sweet. And we will add the juice here. Okay, and we'll also add some water. Just give it a mix. And that's all. Our watermelon lemonade, that cool, refreshing drink, is ready. Prepare it in your home, enjoy it, and enjoy summer also. And if you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends and family. And till then, till my next recipe, bye.